Hi guys, Alex here from Drayton's. Here we've got a Seat Leon 1 litre TSI Ecomotive SE technology, finished in monsoon grey metallic paint. All the wheels and tyres are in very good condition. These are 16-inch design alloy wheels. At the back you do get a good sized boot. There is a bit of a load lip, as you can see, but there is a lot of depth in there, and the back seats will go down if you need any extra space. This car has got MOT until the 18th of the 7th 2022 and will come with a full service history. It was last serviced on the 27th of the 5th 2021. Seats, they do have a sporty styling to them, so you've got these side bolsters on the base and on the sides as well to keep you in place, and they bring a bit of lightness to the cabin as well, being this sort of white and grey effect seat. Up front you have your rev counter on the left, speedo on the right, and then your digital screen in the centre. Various different things you can scroll through. You've got your fuel range, oil temperature, coolant temperature, things like that. You've also got different tabs, so you've got your navigation tab, so it's a compass normally, but if you set a destination, the next direction will pop up on there. If it's turn right in 100 yards, it'll show you an arrow and count down. Then you've got your audio tab, so that's either your Bluetooth, your CD or your radio. You can scroll through the stations on there, just like that. Then you've got your mobile tab, so you can scroll through your contacts and your calls as well. And your vehicle status, so if you've got say low tyre pressure, anything like that, low oil level, that will pop up on there. You don't actually have to go on to that for it to pop up, so if there's any warnings or anything, that will come up anyway. And then back to your driving data on there. On the screen you've got a touchscreen system with the home buttons here. You've got DAB, FM, AM radio, as I showed you a second ago. And then you've also got your Bluetooth on there, and you've got your sat nav on there. It's a very easy sat nav system to use, nice and light, very easy to read, and it's nice and up to date as well. Different views you can have, different zoom ranges, points of interest, things like that, you can all change to what suits you. And then you've got your vehicle data as well, so your vehicle status, which I showed you a moment ago on the screen, anything on there will pop up, so if you've got low tyre pressure or anything like that, and then you can reset your tyre pressure from here as well. Then you've got all your settings on here, so for your mirrors and wipers, stuff like that. Moving down here, you've got your single zone climate control, so you have aircon, you've got a heated rear screen, and then your settings for the aircon, and you've also got your start stop there, so your temperature on the left, fan speed in the middle, and the direction on the right. We have a Dsg Gearbox, so you've got standard drive mode, and you've also got a sporty setup. So the sportier mode will optimise the gear changes for performance rather than efficiency, which is what the standard drive mode does. So it'll keep the revs as in the best power band possible to give you the best acceleration when it changes gear. And then you've got an electronic parking brake and a hill hold assist button as well, so if you're on a hill you press that, it will hold it when you take your foot off the brake for a couple of seconds just to stop you rolling back. And then you also have a 12-volt socket just there, and a couple of USBs and an aux just there as well, so you can use music through USB too. And then you have a CD player in the glove box with your SD card for the sat nav as well. It's a nice car. I do like the Seats. They're built really well. The build quality is good both inside and engine wise as well, mechanically. It's quite a peppy little engine to say. It's only a 1 litre. It does have a bit of punch when you put your foot down, and it's very economical as well. About 62 miles to the gallon on a like combined run, so like motorway and town driving, and then it's up to about 70 on like ultra economical, so about 57 miles an hour on the motorway, for example, whatever the top band is. You've also got your cruise control there, just on the end of the stalk with your indicators, your multifunction controls for your volume, and the multifunction controls for the screen in front. As you can see, just the little tabs there change all the directions. Nice sporty steering wheel with the almost flat bottom as well. It's got a nice sporty feel to it, and it's not too big, so you've got a decent grip on it. It's not too big, so you're not holding it like this. It's just a nice leisurely car to drive, really. And then there's your lights and your heated and electrically adjustable wing mirrors there as well. There's a good amount of space in the back as well. Being a 5-door, you do have that extra accessibility. So even though the front seat is pushed quite a way back, so I can get a good view of the front, there's still loads of legroom in there, as you can see. It's a good size for a family car, really, and with being a smaller, more economical engine, you're saving money on the fuel as well, which is always good. It will come with 6 months gold cover warranty, which can be extended for as little as £199 for an extra 6 months. We also have a range of finance options available, so if finance is something you're looking for, then we can help you out with that as well. If you need any more information on this car or any of the cars we have in stock, please go to draytons.co.uk. Thank you.